Your Excel sheet looks great until one cell decides to stretch across multiple columns. In this video, I'll show you how to control it with wrap text. Auto-resize your rows and columns and keep everything perfectly aligned. Let's tidy your spreadsheet together. Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Hi guys, welcome back to First Steps in Excel. Okay, so last week we learned how to bring your data to life using charts. Turning plain tables into clear visual stories with column, pie and line charts. If you missed that one, go check it out after this video. It's a great foundation for everything we keep building on. But today, we're going to focus on something that keeps your data neat and readable, wrap text. Have you ever typed a long sentence into a cell only to see it spill over into the next one? It looks messy, right? Well, today, you're going to learn how to make long text stay neat inside one cell, auto-fit your rows, and when to use wrap text instead of merge. Let's get started. Okay, so long text often spills over into the next cell, especially when you're writing notes, labels, or descriptions. Wrap text keeps all that text neatly inside the same cell, so your spreadsheet looks clean, tidy, and professional. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, especially when printing or sharing your workbook. Here's how to use it step by step. So we're going to select the cell or cells with the long text. Then from here, you're going to go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and you're simply going to click Wrap Text. And that's it. Excel automatically wraps your text so it stays inside one cell. No more overflow or overlap. If you add or remove text later, you'll see Excel will keep it automatically wrapped. Super handy for notes or comments. Okay, so sometimes after wrapping text, your row height won't adjust automatically. To fix that, it's super simple. So we're going to hover between the row numbers and if needed, the column letters and double click. As you'll see, Excel will auto-resize the row height perfectly. That's a quick way to make sure every line of your text is visible, no cut-off words or hidden notes. It's easy to mix up wrap text and merge and center, but they do totally different things. Wrap text keeps your content in one cell and just makes it taller. Merge combines multiple cells into one, great for titles but risky if you're sorting or filtering data. So remember, just wrap text when you want things tidy and merge only when you're designing a header or title area. So now you know how to wrap text in Excel. You've learned how to keep your text inside one cell, auto-resize rows and columns, and know when to use wrap text versus merge. And if you found this helpful, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss your next step in Excel. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice what you've learnt. So we're going to type a long sentence into one cell. And then you're going to click Wrap Text to keep it tidy. And then you're going to double click between row numbers and column letters to auto-resize. And then finally try merging a header to see the difference. And once you've done all that, you'll instantly see how much cleaner your spreadsheet looks when everything stays in its place. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.